Hello, children. Hope you all are fine, staying at home and studying and enjoying your life with your parents. Okay, the topic that we have to take up right now is global warming and greenhouse effect. There's too much of stuff related to this topic all available at at your Google's doorstep. But then it is very easy to understand what is global warming. Most of you have an idea because that is the most talk about topic in recent years as far as environmental issues are concerned, isn't it? Now, global warming is global warning. Now, this slogan came up long back. When I was a student, I used to read this. That was given by UNO, your United Nations organization, who looks after these issues also, isn't it? So, why global warming is global warming? Because this is an issue that is going to address each and every country, each and every continent. Nothing, no one can be saved because everyone is the part of globe, and global warming addresses the entire globe. That is why it is a global warning, and it is very important for us to understand, and that is why CBSE has actually taken up this topic in class 10th. Because you people, you are the guys, you are the children who will be becoming the sincere citizens, the future citizens. And with lot of knowledge, you'll be able to control these problems which are going across the world. Now, have you seen a small house made up of glass or a green color sheet, especially when you visit the hilly stations? When you go to hill stations, isn't it? Now, this year we are not going, but then otherwise you go to hill stations. है ना? So, what do you observe there? You observe greenhouses being made because the temperature is very low, and at low temperature plants cannot grow. So what do? They make a glass house, and the glass that is used is of a typical type that traps the sunlight within. I mean, the wavelengths can get inside, but the light cannot go outside. Now, light is another form of heat. Here, light energy is converted into heat energy. Whatever light comes from sun is actually converted into heat energy and is utilized. So, this particular point, whatever light comes and it is trapped inside the greenhouse, that is used to raise the temperature of this greenhouse to the maximum so that we can have a temperature optimum enough or suitable enough for plants to grow. If you have gone to Kufri, you will be able to see such greenhouses. All of you who have gone to Kufri, I know everyone. When you are reaching Kufri near Simla, you will see that Simla can be Shimla and Simla both. Okay, you can pronounce it either ways. So you will see that greenhouse there. Okay, and that greenhouse is built up to allow flowers to grow, plants to grow. When you enter those greenhouses, you will find flowers all around, flourishing. So this is what is greenhouse all about. That is trapping the solar energy to have an optimum temperature. This is the idea behind it. This is what is greenhouse effect.